2, 1, action. So here we are, another Buzzcut, isn't it? So we'll start from number 2.
Yeah.
And we'll see if you like it, if not.
Okay.
Or we're gonna go number 1, as you said.
Yeah.
After
okay.
later.
We'll try
Okay.
number 2 and then see what it's like, and maybe go lower. Yeah.
Okay. Good. Why did you decide to shave it again?
Because my hair is so thick with the sun.
That's it. The Buzzcut is good, actually.
Yeah. So I want to get rid of the thick hair for summer.
That's it. So, guys, today I will show you how you do the Buzzcut by yourself. And I swear, if any comment actually said like it's hard, I will delete the channel. I'll show you. No need to get a haircut with the barbers anymore. So, because my client asked for number 2, so what are you gonna do? You put number 2 and you shave it off straight away. Which is, I don't use number 2, I use 1.5 and with open clipper. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah, my thick hair.
I know.
Do you know? I love to shave someone's hair.
Yeah. Good thing I have it on video now. I can watch the transformation.
Oh, watch it, man. You know, like, and do it by yourself next time. See, shave the hair off. Make sure everything clean. Use the clipper with every direction. Listen to your clipper also. When you hear still cutting hair, keep doing it until you hear nothing. Right left, right left, right left. Any plan today?
No.
Nothing?
Hangover there.
So, what do you think? Number 2 is good?
Yeah, what do you think?
I think number 2 is good. If you want to go number 1 also.
Yeah. What would you recommend? I don't mind. What do you think would be
Everyone
better?
different, mate. Everyone different. I can't recommend anything for you, but it's everyone different.
Yeah. I don't know. I think we'll stick with number 2 then. So
Yeah, I guess, you know, like start with number 2 because you don't want to go very short when you're not very sure about you're gonna like the style or not. See, keep doing it as long you hear the clipper cutting the hair. Right, left, right, left, right, left, everything. Make sure everything clean. That's it. So, now we will start to do the 0, draw the 0 using the 0 clipper, 0 gap, and start from this corner. See this corner and drop it a bit down. Here we go. The good things about the buzz cut, you don't have to have any skills. You need to know exactly what you're doing, which is easy to learn. Same thing, we end with this corner. So now you make sure you look at the corners, same, equal. That's the most important thing. Make sure it's clean. See? Now I will make sure everything is clean again and again. Don't go to the next step until you make sure everything is clean. Otherwise, it's not gonna be a big issue for you. Now I'm gonna grab the shaver. See the space? I done it just halfway with the shaver. Same thing, you make sure 100% everything clean. Don't go to the next step until you make sure 100%. There's nothing left behind. Put this mic here. But again and again and again, make sure your job is clean. Now, next step. Now I'll use the trimmer to clean the line between the super zero and the normal zero, just on the middle. Now we're back to the clipper again. Now we're gonna get in the haircut, the buzz cut, inch by inch. So you grab the clipper, open, make it half. So see, completely open, and you go 1 inch. See, again and again, you have to make sure everything clean. Keep repeat again and again. So you don't need to go back to fix anything. So same. There's a line now in the middle. How we remove it? Just the clipper halfway. See how it's open? Just halfway. And you hit just on the middle. Don't go too high. Don't go to the end of the line. Just on the middle. Now jump to the next step. We will grab number 1. See, it's number 1 with open clipper. Open it to the end and hit 1 inch, another 1 inch. Same thing. Make sure everything clean. Now, the last step. Same thing. Another line. We have it here. How are we gonna break it? We grab the half, 0.5 with open clipper. So you open to the end and you hit only this way. Same thing on the middle. Don't go to the end. Only on the middle. again and again and again. Make sure it's clean. So, boss, how about the top, the front? You want to make it box or clean it like natural?
Yeah, please, yeah.
Box?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you think that would suit my...
Yeah, the box is nice actually.
Yeah, my hairline's not great. I think that's okay.
Nah, it's a good, but I like to keep it natural, like so. I'm not gonna go
Yeah,
too much
yeah,
in. Just stay clean. Because if I go too much in, I will make it nice actually. But the problem, once you grow back, next 2 days, you need to shave it again. But when you clean it, just clean, will last for extra time. Good?
Yeah.
See, this side, you have like enough hair, very nice. But the right side, actually, you have receding some hair,
Okay.
receding bit.
Yeah, yeah.
But the problem, if I go high,
Yeah.
it's gonna be weird.
Yeah.
So
no,
keep it
fine.
like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Much better. I could to hide it using color, but I could to hide it for you using the color, but it's gonna be for temporary, just for the picture. I don't wanna.
No.
I wanna do something natural. So it's a buzz cut. Everything done. We finished the fade. The fade is very good. No issues with it. No colors, no editing, no filters. Here we go, guys. This is the final.